I want to talk a little bit about some mobile detailing etiquette at the moment. So, if y'all can tell, it's wet where I'm working today. Client's Lexus is in their garage. Work got put slightly on hold, but we'll get to that in a moment. What I want to talk about in this video, though, is etiquette of being a mobile detailer. As you can tell, there's a lot of junk and debris on my car. See? Little flower buds from trees, stuff on the top. You know, dirty water from the rain. But as much as this pains you as a detailer to see sitting on the car, it would be unethical for me to use the client's hose to quickly hose off the contaminated water and hose off these contaminants on my paint. But beyond being unethical, it also is not good for your business. Because especially in a little area like this, these are cluster homes. This is the client's house. This building here is the next person's garage. And that house goes over there. See, even a car is driving by right now. What if I was doing that, spraying down my car real quick? You know, you might say to yourself, oh, it's just a little bit of water. And then that car saw me doing that. You know, they might see the neighbor a month from now and say, oh, that detailer you had was spraying down his own car at your house. You know, that's something that can really tick someone off and could really hurt your business. When you're a mobile detailer, just assume someone's always watching. If it's not on this street, that's this one back here. You know, there's a house there, there's a few back there, and there's trees. You know, they're far, but someone in a window seeing that could, you know, one bad review, that could bring you one bad review online, and there goes, you don't know how many customers that after seeing that one-star review says, oh, not worth the risk, I'll use this other guy, he's mobile too. Some words of caution today on this rainy day for you mobile detailers, because being a mobile detailer, it's a completely different game than running a shop, and there's things we have to be careful about and look at more than shop detailers do. You know, if you can't handle some debris, some contaminants, water sitting on your paint causing water spots, you know, dirt on there, then all I can tell you is, you know, get a detail van that you don't care about as much and bring your stuff in that. But to cut costs, because I love the low overhead model of being mobile, you know, I just bring my daily driver, which is also my weekend car, and my detail van, so to speak. So, just like I said, just some words of caution on this rainy day. But until next time, happy detailing. Thanks for watching.